Welcome to another episode of Think Out of the Can, where we hope to inspire you to take ordinary ingredients and create
extraordinary food.
So, Chef Tim, what are you thinking about today?
I'm thinking about shrimp and grits. Good old southern shrimp and grits.
Sounds good. I'm going to let you get to it.
Okay. Shrimp and grits. Today, they are the two ingredients that we're going to feature on Think Out of the Can with Chef Tim. So you can either get, regular grits, or you can get quick cooking grits, and I recommend that you get quick cooking grits. That's what I'm using today. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of chicken broth to this pan because I've already prepared the grits. The grits have been prepared, but what I'm going to do is put the grits into the broth so it just thins them out a little bit. Just thins them out a bit. Mix it around. Make sure they're nice and smooth, just the way you'd want them. And once they get a little bit warm, I'm going to add shredded cheddar. Hey, remember, it's just like seasoning. If you don't have cheddar and you got mozzarella or you got Swiss or something, it doesn't really matter. Cheddar is the best flavor, but whatever cheese you have in there, mix it in real well with those grits. Once I've done that, I'm going to add some butter because, hey, what are good grits without butter? Mix it. Oh man, they are just looking so creamy and so cheesy and so tasty. So that's the first part of it, the cheesy grits. Part two of shrimp and grits, of course, you got to have shrimp. So we're using canned shrimp today. Yes, canned shrimp. This is really good shrimp. I'm surprised that it's as nice as it is once you open up the can. Remember, just like anything that's canned, you want to drain it and you want to rinse it before you use it. So I'm going to put a little bit of oil into my saute pan, my fry pan, get it nice and hot, put the shrimp in there, mix it around pretty good, make sure they get the oil all over them. I'm going to add Cajun seasoning to them because you want to get that nice Cajun flavor in there. Make sure the seasoning gets all over. Oh man, they are looking nice. Just like kind of blackened shrimp, Cajun seasoned shrimp. This is part two of having your shrimp and grits.
Delicious southern shrimp and grits.
So the final one we have today for shrimp and grits happens to be something that I call crispy grits. You know, you always have a little extra grits when you finish your breakfast or finish it with dinner, whatever it might be. So what I do is I put them in a pan. I put them in a pan and I kind of make sure that they're a little bit thick. I chill them down overnight and then simply take a knife. Now you can do this with a round cookie cutter also if you want. I'm going to take a knife just like that. Take my spatula, carefully pick it up, bring it over to another sheet pan or cookie sheet that's lined with foil, and that's going to go directly into the broiler for about 3 to 4 minutes aside, but you got to check because I don't know how your broiler works. It'll broil it on the top, flip it over, broil it on the bottom, and it's a nice crispy, I'm going to call it a grit cake, a crispy grit cake.
Crispy grit cakes. So today's scripture is, well, I've got to look at my notes. 1 Corinthians 10:31. So whether you eat or drink or whatever you do, do it for the glory of God. And I think that you have done this for the glory of God today.
Well, we have, okay? It's a team effort. So we have great classic southern shrimp and grits, Cajun shrimp beignets. Tonight I'm serving it with remoulade sauce. We have pumpkin grits because it is autumn. And finally, crispy grit cakes. All brought to you by Quick Cooking Grits and Canned Shrimp. So we hope you enjoyed this episode of Think Out of the Can with Chef Tim.
And Kim.